Do you love cooking? Even if you love cooking, I can bet that there is one question that keeps haunting you every single day. And the question is, what should I cook today? This is the same issue I face every single day, even if I might not be a great cook at home. So in today's video, I'm not sharing an easy recipe or running a cookery show, but in today's video, I would be sharing some interesting ways how artificial intelligence is helping us in our kitchen. Whenever we think about application of artificial intelligence, immediately we start thinking about these domains like information technology, manufacturing, healthcare, and in my last video I also spoke about agrotech. But we never thought that artificial intelligence would be so useful even in our kitchens. So let's look at the scope of artificial intelligence in this area. First one in the list is recipe recommendation. It takes care of our headache of what should we cook today, because there is a product named as Chef Watson from IBM, which if you provide a list of 100 ingredients, it would analyze almost 10,000 recipes and recommend you as per your choice. It uses natural language processing in the background. The other one that I want to talk about is healthy meal vending machine. So in this, you have all the ingredients placed in this machine, and machine actually creates a healthy bowl within say 2 to 3 minutes. These vending machines are very useful, especially in hospitals where we need healthy food round the clock. The other one which I want to talk about is robot itself as a cook. So in this I want to talk about two robots. The first one I want to talk, which is very cute, is Flippy. So Flippy, job of Flippy is just to turn the burger patty once it's cooked. While this action looks to be very simple, for a robot it's a very complicated thing, because it has to actually assess the time from when that burger patty was put on the pan. It has to time it and flip it, and also it also monitors using the cameras and compares it with the images of a cooked patty, and basis that takes a decision to flip it. So it's a very complicated step in the background, but it looks very simple. Now when we are talking about Flippy, just imagine what's happening with Molly. Molly is an end-to-end cook, and it is trained by top chefs. So if you have Molly at your place, then you would be served, or every lunch and dinner you would be served a 5-star meal. So you can imagine the amount of machine learning that has gone into this robot. And Molly is not only a cook as such, but it also cleans the aftermath of cooking. So that's also quite surprising. The other one I want to talk about is your voice control coffee maker. That's amazing. So once you wake up from your bed early morning, you can actually place a command for a coffee, and by the time you're back, your coffee is ready to drink. Last but not least is something that I want to talk about is ghost kitchens. Don't get scared. It's also called as virtual kitchens. Nowadays, having a complete infrastructure adds up to the cost of companies, and it reflects in the price of the food product as well. So a lot of people have actually cut down on their infrastructures, and they are using ghost kitchens. So ghost kitchens are nothing but small setup which is only used for providing the takeaways and the deliveries which happen. So examples like Uber Eats, they have ghost kitchens. You have Swiggy, Zomato, and other companies also which are providing these deliveries. But the restaurants, there are most of the restaurants which have reduced their fine dining and the sit outs and other things, but they only have a small setup which is just a kitchen which provides the food items which are ready. Time to look at some of the restaurants which are getting benefited out of artificial intelligence. The first one that I want to talk about is Zoom Pizza. So Zoom Pizza is on the go kitchen itself with ready pizzas on their truck, but they bake their pizzas just 4 minutes before it arrives to their destination to provide you the freshest pizza at your doorstep. It has been also observed that their pizzas are 50% less in calorie and fat. The second one that I want to talk about is Spice Restaurant at Boston. It is run by MIT engineers. So it's a combination of engineering and robotics which has come together in this restaurant. So they basically have 7 woks installed in their restaurant, which actually creates a bowl ranging from cuisine right from Korean, Thai, Indian, Chinese, and many more from their menu that you could choose from. And on an average they produce 150 bowls per hour, and per bowl cost is around like say $7.50. The other one and the last one that I want to talk about is Creative Burgers in San Francisco. So they use assembly line kind of setup, and with the help of 20 computers and 350 sensors, they are running the show and producing almost 250 burgers per hour. Amazing. These were all the interesting facts about AI in kitchen. I hope you liked this video, and with that, me Sarika Hussain signing off for today. Have a good day.